Chef Jesse from Cargill here today, and we're going to be talking about our new 2-cheese egg taza bites. Now this is a new addition to the lineup, but what this does is it gives you a great vegetarian option, plus it's a little bit smaller inside for a little quicker cook. The things I really like about these, they're easy, and the kids love them. Go great with a nice little salsa, or if you want to take it international, do a Korean barbecue or a teriyaki sauce. For a dipping item with these, it's really nice. So let's go ahead and get into how we prepare them and how we reheat them for the students. Now, if you're going to thaw these in a whole box, you're going to need 3 to 5 days. Remember, this cardboard acts as an insulator, so it's just going to help keep everything nice and cold. We're going to take our thawed egg bites and set them out. Make sure you leave room in between. You don't want to bunch them up right next to each other because they will not get enough airflow and some will cook faster than others. If you leave enough space in between, you actually get an even cook over everything, which is really, really nice. Like I said, you can do these full box, but what I really like to do is I'll take them, I'll lay them out on a sheet tray the day before we head out. And then by the time we get in the next morning, they're nice and thawed and ready to go into the oven. You can cook them from frozen, but it does take a little bit longer. These are going to go into a 350-degree oven. Since these were thawed and the 1.5 ounce size, they're going to take them about 6 to 10 minutes to cook, depending on the oven or how you're actually cooking it. If you're using steam, a combi oven, or something like that. Like I said, you can also cook them from frozen, but if you're cooking them from frozen, you're gonna have to go to that 12 to 20 minute time frame. If you're gonna do our other egg tazas, egg bites that are the 2 ounce, you're just going to up that time a little bit. So if you're looking at thaw on a 2 ounce, you're gonna go 10 to 15 minutes. And if you're looking frozen on a 2 ounce, it's going to be a 20 to 25 minute time frame. All right, these just came out of the oven. Look beautiful. You get some nice browning on the edges. That's one of the reasons we don't want to cover them in foil, is because you'll stop that browning process, which is really, really nice. You get that nice velvety, soft interior, and then the outside has that little bit of a crunch to it, which is really, really nice, and the kids really enjoy. Now that these are heated through, these are ready to go. You could put them in your hot bar, hold them for service if you're going to be handing them out individually on trays. You could put them into bags so they're ready for a grab-and-go option. And don't forget the sauces. The sauces really make these things, whether it's a fast-made scratch salsa that you're doing where you're just adding some fresh ingredients to whatever salsa you bring in, or if it's a quick teriyaki or a quick Korean barbecue for you high schools that have a little more leeway in what you're serving. Get out there, have fun. Let's see what you come up with. Thank you again for watching the video. Chef Jesse on behalf of Cargill. We'll see you next time.